So over here you can see that I have an image, and let's say what I want to do is I want to save this file as a digital negative file, that is a raw file. In that case, what you can do is you can go around onto the top and click on the convert and save image button right here. Once you do that, you can go around and select out the file extension as DNG, as you can see, and this is digital negative. You can see that you can go around and choose the compatibility to Camera RAW for 14 and later right here, and you can also enable JPG previews according to how you want. You can also use lossy compression if you want, but if you want it uncompressed, then you can just keep it as it is right here. You can then go around and select out the folder where you want to save the image to, and then you can simply go around and rename out the content right here. For example, I'm just going to go around and say DNG converted Lotus right here, just like the Lotus right here, just like this, and then this is the example that you get right here, DNG converted Lotus.dng right here. And you can also go around and then say utilize preset as save as DNG right here or save as JPG according to how you want. In my case, I'm going to go for save as DNG, and I'm going to say DNG converted Lotus right here, just like this, and then you can simply go around and click on save, and I'm going to go around and press done right here, and then over here you can see the DNG image right here, which is the raw image file format, as you can see, just like this. And this is DNG file, so it is a raw file format that is supported by many editors, and you can go around and open it out and edit it out according to how you want right here, just like this as well. So that is how you can save out images as a DNG file using Adobe Camera RAW. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.